Yeah, nation people. Yeah, man. Me say a little thing. A float up. Then, some look at do my chest claim them a float up on the internet. I chat the people them there on the internet day and night. Them not take no break, no sleep, no at all them not get my friend. All them there on the internet I do a downgrade Vybz Kartel and Spice album. You see what I say? Yo, I don't know how much illusion them people here can stomach. But you know, say them have some people them when them careless, like them not gonna work, them not have nothing to do. So you know, say them crowd the internet day and night a hold some lollipop conversation before them go look about something we can stand predominant in them life because the people them who them there they are discuss busy a drive them way through success and all them there they can do a bad mind the people them. Watch what go on, man. One of them, say my top vlogger. And him say my artist too, But yet still, him dead there. And them claim say Vybz Kartel album put and Spice album put them to sleep and all kind of shit. Remember them do song and them and music video and all of these shit on YouTube, All the songs them these people have been doing in a Gaza nation, all know them can't find a song for 10 people listening, much less 20, You see what I say? But these are the people who want to tell people about people music where good from down good. You know what I mean? When this bitch ass jockstrap sniffing vendetta fanboy. You see what I say? Don't even know how to fix film music properly. That's people can listen to it. Watch this. Well, it's not a plan. Yo, watch what I go on, Carefully, A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already, When I come for represent. Hey, a full effecting man. You don't know what go? When I load up. Aim up. Crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about you, Watch me, man. I'm the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, Gaza Nation. The farmer gimmicks thing na there in it. You know what I mean? This local one where them call CV. Then get up every day and live from the people them name. And them have broadcast right during the day and in the morning with some girl on it when I have nothing to do. I don't know if them not have nothing constructive to do but and try to eat from people, work where people put out. I make sure I talk this, before me even go no further. All these vendetta, jockstrap sniffing, fanboy and fangirl I do. Let me tell you something. Make sure I tell you it plain, because this is not about nothing but not eating. This is just the truth. Alkaline, no big like Spice nor Vybz Kartel. Nowhere at all in the world. You see what I say? I hope you get that clear. And let me tell you this. Alkaline is just a local artist who based in Florida where only be Caribbean people listening music. You hear that? Because if it wasn't this so, the guy that have a billboard it, I know the guy not have no billboard it. Is when I say that for sure it's no international people now listening music. If not have no international it cross over. Is when I say that for sure it's no international people now listening music. Is when I say and that is just the fact. But locally it make up some nice on one part around there so. You see what I say? And I think every dancehall artist will have hype do that. You see what I say? So it's not a scientific thing where go on where you're supposed to walk on the moon. You see what I deal with? You know what I mean? No joke shit in it. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. And sometimes it talk like, well then, yeah, I bash you, I bash them, you, but I don't bash you, I bash them. You know what I mean? We just show these jockstrap sniffer, say, we talk the things them where them afraid for talk. We tell them the truth. We tell them how it go. We not hide from it. And then a gimmicks thing. We not deal with lollipop thing. Everybody know a Gaza Mat 90 rifle and Glock thing. You see what I say? Big respect to the people them who are stream the World Boss album. Big respect to the people them who are buy. And Gaza fans, if you know out there and you not buy, you not go purchase the album. And let me tell you something. Some of you who can't purchase the album because I don't know how the pocket stay still, you know. But you can stream it, no gimmicks business in it. That's what I say. We not come for watch lollipop people, you know, with them look a susu mouth, you know. Because CV, you know, can't write a song or build a song for boss himself. Him not CMR, you know what I mean? But him busy a campaign for Vybz Kartel and Spice album. That's what I say. We not beg on no free promotion, my brother. Gaza Nation, you know see what Gaza Nation do, my virgin? No, them want to draw a card and I tell lie now. I claim say Lava give back people money for Lava from Chat and Laugh. I give back people money for buy album and them shit there so the album can hit Billboard. So when the album hit Billboard, you know say them it not real because a Lava give back people and him not know if a Vybz Kartel give Lava the money to give people. You hear all them type of hypocrisy where the boy love up on the internet with him love come and walk me mouth where him now have no proof of my brethren for a man and him say he's a man in my brethren. Him not have no proof of where my chat about, you know, but yet still him love come on YouTube and walk mouth in mouth, you know, to him look nerdy pearly, you know. Subscribe for them in my brethren. You see what I say? At this you disrespect Lava and the World Boss in a boy. More you know that you are doing, you know. How much Billboard album the World Boss drop? Me not talk the reggae Billboard. Me talk about the international Billboard. Not two the man drop let squeeze off last year. Back to back. You know what I mean? Another far brother. Eh? Quick whip whap in a no time. Eh? What you chat about? Yo, most people now go answer one and I listen to one and I even want to try to say nothing, you know. But me as a man, you know, I don't tell you to say the both away. We do different things on YouTube. First thing, me is not a vlogger. Me a revolutionist Gaza with my mouth on YouTube, international business. So you see, anytime you come with no fuckery, me are the one where I go come on YouTube and slam down back that down your blood clot throat. No gimmicks thing no dead about it. A Gaza way I'm representing there no other way, you know. I want to know that, you know, I not really deal with lollipop thing, you know, a 10-star, you know. The people's champion, you know. Where you feel like a gimmicks thing. Eh? You don't feel like a lollipop thing. Eh? You don't think me easy. You don't know I grade my smoke and me no bun BD. Me say CV can do a song for make 20 people listening. But yet still him there on YouTube busy. I try discriminate other people shit. Which part you don't ever go see that? Won't ever hear that from? So you are discussing, well then, the general song no good. You know what I mean? None of the song them on the album no good. So you know listen to yourself when you claim you put up song on YouTube and release it. You don't listen to the shit them will come out of your mouth. Eh? You don't listen to the song them where you claim say you sing. You don't listen all them outdated and belated, them sound like crap. You know what I mean? You don't listen to yourself, but when you're ready for come on YouTube and chat up on the mouth and go like on a tough. You know what I mean? By saying be a lie just because you have some local clowny fans where are them thing don't feed off of. A long time me I make you know, but me no know if you not believe me, Easy, Gaza lock YouTube so easy. God believe me, girl no refuse to please me. We no CV we a drink girl pee. We stop the girl them like a harpoon. Real top girl is 10 star in a cartoon. But the even bitch we want groom. She come in my room, come for the tall broom. No Viagra for tap me heart soon. I Medina mix with the raw moon. Easy, Gaza lock the place so easy. God believe me, girl no refuse to please we. We no CV we a lit girl clit. What? 10 star, The general. Gaza way. There ain't no other way. People, go out and support the album. Who can buy stream? 10 star.